Yo ninjas and Kaio, and welcome to the new Airchair tutorial. Today we have a very special guest, my boy Lego Sam from Malaysia. Special thanks to him, he is very dope. Check out his Instagram, link in the description.
What's good everyone, my name is Lego Sam from Malaysia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Airchair. Please follow me step by step. As we know, these frees are going to take a lot of strength and flexibility. It is more focused on your shoulder and your hips. So before we start, we're going to do enough of stretching. So let me show you a few ones. So after we stretch, and now let us begin. At first, I'm going to show you there's the two types of chair. One is side chair, and another one is air chair, which I'm going to show you today. The position of air chair is just like how you do a chair twist. Okay, from here. So the position is around back here. First step, grab something you can hold with it, example like a bar or like a chair. And then we're trying to do like this. Put your right hand down, the left hand, just try to hold it. Remember, you need to put your hand on the right spot that you feel good and comfort. And then keep your hips high and body face up, just like this. In second step, after you get used to it to the previous one, and now try to put your left hand away like this, okay? And try to hold it for a while. Just find your balance. Just like this. One more tip for you guys, your upper body and your lower body should be like this, squeezing into the center and try to balance it instead of like this or like this. Okay, squeeze it. After all this, we can try to slowly balance by ourselves without any support anymore. Last step, when you feel you are ready, then we can do it like this. Go up and lock your whole body. Lock it in any leg shape that you want. Just like this. 1, 2, 3. Lock it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Lock it. 1, 2, 3. Lock it. 1, 2, 3. Lock it. So this is my tutorial for how to do Airchair. I hope I could help you to get better. Thank you for watching guys. Keep trying and be patient. This is Lego Sam signing off. Peace!
Thank you for watching, and special thanks again to Lego Sam. Check out his Instagram, link in the description, and see you next time with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!